Going out for a family walk. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. I'm older now.
Let's just take like every spot.
Hello. Family walk in the city forest.
Hello.
With the puppies. Say hi, Lex. Say hi, Lex. Still lots of snow.
Yep.
Getting there.
Yep.
April. What is it? April 12th. We still got snow in here. Go ahead, bud.
What?
Say what you wanted to say.
I don't know.
You told me you wanted to say something.
Oh. Grandma, what is this?
So Reed, why are we going this way?
Because I love you.
Because you told us to?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sissy having fun? Oop. You having fun, Sissy? Huh? Smile. Puppies are having fun. Being out in nature. Maya's cooling down. It's a nice like 55 degrees today.
Tammy's in a t-shirt. I got my layers on.
What's me other day?
I don't know, what do you want to say?
How about I love hiking?
Yeah, I'm a day.
Look at the camera and say it.
I like hiking.
You love hiking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go to the animals.
Excited to see animals and stuff?
Yeah.
On our way back to the car. Almost there.
We're going to the
Probably be about 3 miles or so today.
We're
Just
going to the car.
Pretty good for Brooke's first hike of the springtime.
We're going to the
Kids are still happy. Say hi, Aspen. Smile. Smile. Aspen. Cheese. Alright. See you at the car. Oh, now that the camera's on, you're gonna stop, bud?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Fun. Found the ball on our way back. Bring it back and leave it at the entrance. I'm sure somebody will be looking for that.
Okay.
What did we look for on our hike today, bud?
I don't know.
Did we look for animals?
Yeah.
What kind of animals?
I don't know.
Just tell me, what kind of animals did we look for? What kind of animals do we see in the jungle? Lions?
Lions?
What else?
Well,
Did we look for lions?
yeah.
What else did we look for?
I don't know.
Alligators?
Alligators?
What else did you say we were going to look for? Tigers?
Tigers?
Yeah.
And
Purple bunnies.
bunnies.
Purple bunnies? Yeah. Did we see anything today?
Nope.
No. Maybe next time?
Yeah.
All right. Getting back to the parking area. More vehicles here today now. So leave that ball Now we'll get in the cars. Have a nice skate and have a nice day, guys.